moving a condenser from this, which is the exterior front wall. I'm in the basement, right around that general area. Moving it around to join two other condenser units on the wall that's through this crawl space area. Up to there. Let me go outside. Let me show you where the other exterior condensers are.
You're supposed to turn it up so that you get up and up. I guess it doesn't really work.
Going around. And customer wants condenser placed above there, if possible. New condenser unit. Let me show you where the old condenser is located that will be relocated.
Service there, right? It's sporadic.
This condenser will be moved. Piped into the basement where I just was. This is the front exterior of the home. Condenser is going to be moved.
Yeah, this was a closet. Like you said, this is a closet. They boarded it up so you can see inside.
To here.
Right. Here?
So above the top one, right?
We'll try.